The horses gather in a spiral field. Who's tapping like a secret chord? A giant carrot hangs above the night, glowing soft like a forbidden road. They circle slow with trembling breath, chasing echoes of an ancient joke. Every step is almost graceful, every step is nearly broke. And the wind whispers, walk the line between hunger and faith. So they follow like worshippers lost in their own parade. The carrot goes, pulling every heartbeat close. Silly shadows twist and sway, horses laugh the night away. It's absurd and hypnotic, a ritual too chaotic, but nobody wants it to end. They're dancing for a kid again.